So now I would like to call Muhammad Shoaib for video editing, how to edit the videos.
I have been given the second chance for video editings. So as you know, we are living in a digital era where videos are a very important and integral part of our lives. Maybe it is a news video or any documentary or any speech of the scholars. So today my topic is related to video editing, and I am going to tell you and I am going to show you how some examples of it. I am having one clip of 30 seconds and I will play that clip in front of you so you can see original clip. And after the first clip, I will play the second clip where I have done some video editings using the software. So editing makes the video more interesting, more descriptive and fun for the viewer. So in the following video, I have done some video editings. So let's watch this video. So this video was without editing, and now I am going to play with editing. So now I am going to tell you how I edited this video. So I will open this software. So as you can see here, I have cut whole video. So I cut video from this option, and I have added several title. So if we want to add title, so we can take help of from this option. And I have added several transitions. So to transition, we can take help of this option. And I have added several effects. So if you want to add effects, so you can take help of this option as per your choice. So this was the presentation by me. I hope you enjoyed a lot. Thank you so much.